Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to enable data saving mode in YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable or turn on the data saving mode in YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and land over here where you can see the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings, and again you can see the fourth option where it says data saving. Tap on the data saving option just above the downloads and storage over here. And you can see, guys, in order to enable the data saving mode in YouTube, there are three options over here where it says the first one, limit mobile data usage, only stream SD video on Wi-Fi, stream via Wi-Fi only, streaming over Wi-Fi and unmetered data only helps to reduce mobile data usage. Don't play podcast videos, and it also says switch podcast videos to audio only versions of episodes when available. Now, in order to enable data saving mode in YouTube, make sure the top two options are enabled like this, guys. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option particularly to turn those options on, and after doing those two, guys, you can either choose to play podcast videos if you want to, but if you are not into podcast, you can leave that option as well as it is. And with that being said, guys, after enabling these three options, you will have enabled data saving mode in your YouTube Music app. And guys, this is how to enable data saving mode in YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.